I don't think it's a tornado yet. We don't have that weather in our area yet, but be weather aware because that could happen later on this afternoon.
Be weather aware.
Yes.
Okay, all right. It is the Phil Valentine Show. Glad to have you along.
Is there a drain right there?
What?
Is there a drain or something right there you're trying to clear?
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Wish you had waders on.
Dude.
You how far up? Now they're full of water.
Yep.
All right. Oh, I see that. Can I get video of that? You had to clear that before?
Huh?
Have you had to do that before?
Yeah.
Wonder where does it come out? Do you know? It's moving pretty good.
Stop a second. I'll clear it again.
You had to clear that before?
Huh?
Have you had to do that before? Wonder where does it come out? Do you know? It's moving pretty good. I realize there are leaves and stuff, but a lot of it's when people just throw stuff on the ground. Yeah. Well, good luck with it, man.